Keyboard shortcuts are often a much faster way to move to main options in Microsoft Teams. Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to easily display available keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. One easy way to see a list of Teams keyboard shortcuts is to press another keyboard shortcut, and that is Control and the period. Explore these shortcuts. These shortcuts are supported by the Teams desktop app running on Windows. Some shortcuts are different for the Teams desktop app versus the web app. To explore those, click on this option. See shortcuts for all platforms. This will include shortcuts for the Mac platform as well. And here you'll find those handy shortcuts, whether you're working with the desktop app or the web app. You can either close a screen, press Escape, or simply click away to move out of this display. Another way to display this list of shortcuts is from the command box at the top of the screen. Simply type /keys and press enter, and you'll see the same keyboard shortcuts list. Try these to explore how you can save time in Microsoft Teams. In this K-Squared tech tip, you've seen how to find time-saving keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.